This is a guide to help you find answers to do corrections for the probability quiz that we took a couple weeks ago. So for question 1, if you look at your quiz and the sheet, you see that you have 3 different colored marbles, pink, yellow, and green. We know that the pink has 2/5 of a probability of being chosen, the yellow has 1/3 of a probability of being chosen, and we don't know the green. In order to figure out which statement is true, letters A through D on your quiz, you need to first find the probability of drawing a green marble. That's why we have that question mark there. So the first thing you need to do is find the common denominator. So we have a 5 as one denominator and a 3 as the other. The easiest way to find that common denominator, is multiplying those together. So in order to multiply them together and get the new denominator, you will set it up like this, and 15 should be your denominator. So if you multiply this one by 3 to get 15, you have to also multiply the 2 by 3. So we have 6 over 15. We multiplied this one by 5, so we need to multiply the numerator by 5 as well. So we have 5 over 15. Now, you know the first 2 probabilities, so use those to find that green probability. Remember that it needs to add up to a whole, which is 1, or 15 over 15. When you find that green probability, you then can find which one is the true statement. Okay, number 2. This one was asking 2 parts. So out of 24 crayons, we need to find the probability of an orange or red crayon being drawn. Well, in order to do that, we need to first of all find this missing number in the chart. Well, we have all of the total number of crayons. We know that it's 24. We just need to find this missing one. So if we know that we have 24, all we need to do is add up the total number that's given and subtract to find what needs to be red. Well, when we find out the number of red, we just add up how many crayons we want to choose from. So adding the red and the orange together will give us that numerator. So when we add the orange and the red together, that will be our numerator. So I'll write that for here for number 2. Then our denominator will just be 24, the total number of crayons. When you find that, you can then reduce the fraction, and that will be your answer.